Are you an HVAC engineer looking to level up your career? Do you want to advance your career in this HVAC industry? HVAC industry is growing and is going to grow in future. But are you going to be part of that growth? Will you grow in the same fashion the HVAC industry will grow? What skills you require to grow? What do you want to become HVAC engineers of today? How can you master them? Let's explore in this video. Unlock your potential of HVAC engineer with right skills, with right building of knowledge, enhancing of knowledge, so that you achieve, first of all, you get into your dream job, and then you go up to the ladder and become the leader of this industry. HVAC industry is going to grow. It is evolving. It is innovating, and it is becoming more futuristic. And this is where we are going to talk about skill stacking for HVAC engineers, for you, for your growth. As I said earlier, HVAC industry is growing. There is a changing landscape of HVAC. The rise of demand of HVAC is going to increase because of the climate which is changing. Because more and more urban areas getting developed. HVAC is not becoming now luxury, it is becoming a necessity. The rise of smart home buildings, the rise of smart homes, smart buildings, smart cities is increasing, and that also need connected HVAC system which are smart. There's a lot of focus on energy efficiency. What energy we use, is it a green, is it renewable? That is again driving the HVAC industry. And most importantly is the role of AI. How do we become predictive in maintaining the HVAC system is again an important aspect, plus the indoor air quality. Post COVID, that is again become an important aspect of HVAC. For building the HVAC systems, we need to also look at how do we automate, how do we integrate, how can we use the AI to run the HVAC system, right? How do we build properly with the help of good design softwares, with the help of BIM technologies, and how do we build in the maintenance less, I cannot say maintenance free HVAC systems which are smart, which are very important. To adjust to this rising demand, the growth of industry which is looked at, how do we build our skill stack? If you are in HVAC industry, or if you want to come into this industry, which is a very great industry, we need to get certifications in building automation systems, in energy efficiency, and renewable technologies. We need to work on these, we need to learn, enhance the knowledge in these important areas of automating, energy efficiency, and how can we use renewable technologies in HVAC system, right? We need to look at where are those platforms like Ishre, where you can enhance your knowledge, participate, contribute, learn from peers, learn from superiors, and learn from the experts of this industry that will help you to enhance your knowledge. It is very important that I know today and I don't want to learn now further. That mindset not going to work. You have to be up to date, on top of the things in terms of HVAC. What is happening around? You should be staying updated what is happening. Otherwise, you will get lost and you will not be able to speed up, because things are speeding much faster. And this is where we need to be updated. We need to be, in control of what things are happening. There are a lot of online resources which you can look at the credible ones. And also, when you go into the online resources, just don't go only to swipe. We need to learn, focus, and get masters. There are a lot of opportunities in HVAC sector for engineers, because there is a shortage of skill. Every platform you talk about, people talk about not getting the right skill. The resources are getting crunched. So it is very important that we advance skills, become available, become more skillful, so people can take you. There is a high demand, as I said, for skill engineers in consulting, in energy technologies, in energy management roles, and most importantly, there will be huge demand for the automation sector, the AI part of it, the predictive maintenance part of it. All those things will need engineers, the skilled engineers, and this is where there are a lot of opportunities for us. Future is exciting. The growth rates expected are very, very huge. People are talking about this industry going very, very far. Continuous learning, keeping yourself updated, connecting, networking with people is going to be one of the important aspects if you want to rise in this industry. Has this video helped you in embracing the future of HVAC? Please give your comments in the comment section of this video. And if you want more topics on this subject, let me know such topics and I will work on that video. Please subscribe and spread this video. Thank you so much.